Hello guys, so we're here at Ascenso Global Garden in Tangub City. So as you can see, we have Prenat here. We have the Lens and Pixel and the Bride and the Groom. So we're here in the middle of the Ascenso Global, which is on top of the icon itself, which is over there. We
Mm.
also have here the stairs going
Heaven.
to heaven. Kiso na pliti langit na siya. Nasa San Pedro nagahulap. No, so as you can see, we have the very beautiful scenic view of Lanao del Norte. We
Silo
have
Norte. Ah, okay.
yeah,
Yes, ang Atbang.
and as you can see, it shows how really the beauty of Lanao vibrates itself. it, and that's it, guys. So we hope you to see you here and